In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip group elements in Canva. Since Canva doesn't have a feature to flip group elements, so we have to download it as a PNG first. To download it as a PNG, just right-click the group elements, then choose Download Selection. After that, check this box to make the background transparent, and click Download. Once the download process is done, upload the elements back to Canva by dragging it like this. Let's delete this first. Then put the group elements that we just downloaded into the canvas. Now you can flip them together whichever way you want. Just go to the top toolbar and click this flip option. You can choose to flip horizontally like this or vertically like this. And that's how you flip group elements in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.